Please support my channel for the next video to see more animals and birds. Peacock.
Peacock, any species of resplendent birds of the pheasant family Pigeonii order. Californians, the male is a peacock, and the female is peahen. Both are peafowl.
Peacock.
Peahen of both species are green and brown and are almost as big as the male but lack the train and the head ornament.
Peacock.
Peacock's body and train of tail feathers are colored a brilliant metallic green. This train is mainly formed of the bird's upper tail coverts, which are enormously elongated. Each feather is tipped with an iridescent eye spot that is ringed with blue-ang bronze.
Peacock. In courtship displays, the cock elevates his tail, which lies under the train, thus elevating the train and bringing it forward. At the climax of this display, the tail feathers are vibrated, giving the feathers of the train a shimmering appearance and making a rustling sound. Swan.
Swan, largest waterfowl of the subfamily Anserinii family Anatidae order Anseriformes. Most swan are classified in the genus Cygnus.
Swan.
Swans are sociable except in breeding season. They mate for life. Courtship involves mutual bill dipping or head-to-head posturing. The pet incubates on average a half dozen pale unmarked eggs on a heap of vegetation while the cub keeps close guard. In some species he takes his turn at brooding after repulsing an enemy. Swans utter a triumph note.
Swan.
Swans feed by dabbling, not diving, in shallows for aquatic plants, swimming or standing. The mute swan often tuck 1 foot over the back. Male swan called cobs and females called pens.
Swan.
Swan are gracefully long-necked, heavy-bodied, big-footed birds that glide majestically when swimming and fly with slow wings and with neck outstretched. They migrated in diagonal formation or V formation at the great heights, and no other fowl moves as fast on the water or in the air.
Parrot.
Parrot, term applied to a large group of gaudy raucous birds of the family Psittacidae. Parrot also is used in reference to any member of the larger bird group order Psittaciformes.
Parrot.
Parrots have been kept as cage birds since ancient times, and they have always been popular because they are amusing, intelligent, and often affectionate.
Parrot.
Parrots are astonishingly imitative of many sounds including human speech. These birds have a blunt tongue and eat seeds, buds, insect and some fruits.
Parrot.
Among other proficient mimics are the Amazon parrots. The 31 species of Amazons are chunky birds with slightly irregular crown feathers and rather short tail. Their predominantly green plumage is marked with other bright colors.
Owl.
Owl are birds from the order Stratiformes, which includes about 200 species of mostly solitary and nocturnal birds of prey.
Owl.
Owls' binocular vision, binaural hearing, sharp talons and feathers adapted for silent flight. Owls hunt mostly small mammals, insects and other birds, although a few species specialize in hunting fish.
Owl.
Owls possess large forward-facing eyes and ear holes, a hawk-like beak, a flat face, and usually a conspicuous circle of feathers, a facial disc around each eye.
Most owls are nocturnal, actively hunting their prey in darkness. Several types of owls, however, are crepuscular, active during the twilight hours of dawn and dusk. One example is the pygmy owl. A few owls are active during the day. Examples are the burrowing owls.
Ostrich.
Ostrich, large flightless bird, found only in open country in Africa. The largest living bird. The male is mostly black but has white plumes in the wings and tail. Female are mostly brown.
Ostrich.
The ostrich is typical of a group of flightless bird called ratites ostrich populations differing slightly in skin color, size and egg features. Formerly were considered separate species, but now they are considered to be merely races of Strutiocamelus.
Ostrich live mainly on vegetation, but also take some animal food, mainly insects. They can go without water for a long periods. Breeding males emit lion-like roars and hisses as they fight for a harem of 3 to 5 hens.
Ostrich.
Ostriches are seen individually in pairs, in small flocks or in large aggregations depending on the season. The ostrich relies on its strong legs, uniquely two-toed.
Stork.
Most stork are found in flocks except during the breeding season. When they pair off, they feed during the day. Most eat small animals caught in shallow waters and fields.
Stork.
Stork family of Sicanidae. Any of about 20 species of long-necked large birds. Order Sicaniiformes. Stork range from about 60 to 150 cm in height. All or part of the head and upper neck may be bare of feathers and brightly colored.
Stork.
Taxonomically, storks are separated as typical storks and wood storks, originally called wood ibises, have decurved bills resembling ibises in that respect. In typical storks, the bill is straight or nearly so.
Stork.
Storks occur mainly in Africa, Asia, and Europe. One species, the black-necked stork, also occurs in Australia. 3 New World species occur between Florida and Argentina.